Good day, my people. I greet all of you now. Say, how na day? Anywhere you day, I hope you are okay. Yes, this is your program, our program, a very program where everybody know. And the name now, Talk Your Mind. Yes, Talk Your Mind with Saint Courage. Yes, my name now Saint Courage. I dey here for this matter where we want look for different issues. Now we dey look for this Talk Your Mind, and we go into run up for pidgin English so that it go dey very well body of it understand what we dey talk for this program. And today we want look into what just dey happen for, especially for Edo State now. Because very recently, we know today, so we come find out say court of appeal just rule out say Okada riders say the government no get power to stop them. So make they know they work or make they know they drive Okada for everywhere for Benin City. So now be the thing will happen now. So we want look and we can't get person where we know more about all these things. So he offered into streets where and he be friend of the governor of Edo State. I'm talking about I did always like make person they measure in name by himself. In a man of God, and we all know him. But Oga, introduce yourself and we'll greet you.
My people in the house now do well. My name now be Apostle Dr. Kasi Chuku, aka the Prophet is a madman. And I welcome to this show. Talk Your Mind. All right.
Yes. When I don't hear from the man of God, aka Prophet is a madman. Well, that one we will leave that matter for another day. We will take a look at. Yes, Prophet is a madman. We will look into this matter. Okada riders. Now they don't ban them since for many years now. We know they too see Okada for Benin City, and now the court don't rule and say. They feel they are fit to move. They can drive anywhere they want to drive. Well, how you look at this matter?
Well, the time when this matter fair happen, that I mean they drive Okada.
Okay, you fair drive Okada.
I fair drive Okada. Even when they carry and go to 6, you must close around 7 o'clock.
In the evening.
In the evening.
That time they drive.
That time I see they drive because some of that time, me they even drive past that 6 and 7 o'clock safe. Where be say police go even come arrest us. You know say
that means you fair judge.
I drive Okada when
that means you drive Okada, you break the law.
Yes, now me they tell you say that time I drive am. You know sometimes when you see passenger around after 6 because they see where in they go. Maybe by the time you come carry and go there, you just see say this place once you go small money go just still come. Before you know it they happen, you say me you quick hurry go. Before you know time don't meet you. Before you say me they go ask, you don't go catch police for road. So when police hold us that time, we see they go police station that time, we'll go bail ourselves there.
Okay, now me no say you don't fair drive Okada. Yes. So as Okada man, Okada driver.
Before.
Like you did.
No, as Okada driver before.
Okay, like you would they put before, but if I say as a Okada driver, how you can see this una victory be this one?
Yes, even if not then, when the new bandits bike, now this law come out before happy way. But this one we court can grant now the thing no they useful again. Because right now Edo State they face what they call security challenge. Which if you see where now you go see say the governor Godwin Obaseki he don't make measure where be say they fit tackle this security. So come bring Okada join this one what we did now my brother. He go hard well we go just prefer say that way court rule make court change mind for that thing. He knows they know make them we do if they fit bear for 5 years 8 years more than 8 years nothing happen. Now we be say everybody don't they used to run. Anybody wey want drive Okada may go after bypass. Okay. We all know say if you they no say Okada they ban Okada for Edo State too. They only ban Okada for some certain place in the city area where be say people they use this city they rob and I see there's so many things will make them ban that Okada. So that rule where they break on say court don't rule and say make they start to the work. My mind not just sweet at all. You know go well because of the kind of security challenge with the face now. Okay,
but you looking like that say your mind no sweet. You know they drive Okada again and you don't be big man. They drive motor now.
Yes.
Big motor now you they drive now. Okay, but now person you know say some people see day now where as them ban them, it affect them to eat na problem. They no get money to buy motor and they dey on a ground. Now they want God don't do am now. They want come to the hustle now. You know they say those people.
Yes, if they want to drive Okada, they no ban Okada for those states as I tell you before. I say some area, make them relocate, go that area. Even as cheap for that side. If you say na Okada now you can't drive, then carry your Okada, go after bypass. All those areas where never develop. You go see the Okada they walk there, go there. But inside city, it no go walk because if it be like this, before you know say na outside people na food this Okada walk. Some outside people might use that word. Some outside people na food this thing. You know it Boko Haram. You say make I talk my mind. They let me talk my mind. They let me talk my mind.
Talk your mind. Don't me say if I say hold on, you know go hold on. Now me be the moderator of this program.
Okay, no problem. I don't hold on.
I say hold on. Okay, now you say because of may they relocate, go other places.
Yes.
May they because of the figure they drive Okada for all those.
Yes, for all those bypass area.
But now, so not be everybody will feel relocate. You know say to move from one place, go another place. Now money matter. You understand? To go rent house or other place. Now that different matter.
Yes.
So okay, now you they talk say you no go work. That means say as you fed the drive Okada that time, you know they obey the rule of law. You don't want to see obey the court law now. They talk. Court don't talk and you say you no go work.
Which court talker?
Court of appeal now. Court of appeal talk now.
She another court they will
say no.
She another court they will pass court of appeal.
He did. But why you just say he no go work?
No, because anybody will be say they with the normal sense. Suppose no say we dey face security challenge for Edo State and Nigeria as a whole. As Nigeria be now. Anything we want make terrorists come they enter inside city.
Other states no get.
We don't need that.
Other states no they drive. They no get Okada. They know the Okada.
How many states as we dey talk so now they drive Okada for their city?
Okay, since that time when they banned Okada. Security challenge for December last year for Edo State here. You know, see us everywhere busy.
Now me they tell you.
Okada no dey. But Okada no dey.
Tell you.
Okada dey that.
Okay, since that 12 years to 15 years Okada now. Dey. Since that 15 years now, those people you want tell me say they no dey go work.
Some of them don't die because they no see food.
Okay, now if they got the Okada, now where they want for see money buy the Okada? The Okada where they talk, where they want see money buy?
They know they rent Okada.
Okay, if
everybody where they drive bus they go taxi they go now they get.
If there's free rent Okada, they will free rent house. Make them go area where they never develop. We need that for that area self. Now those areas where never develop, now we need Okada. But all this Okada where they supply fish, where they do logistic work, make all those one they run time.
You know they talk like man of God, and you be man of God.
No, this thing now.
Yes, but you know they talk like that.
Because you want to make a compromise people's life with security.
Let me tell you now, say December last year, no Okada, but Edo State was something else.
Yes, but today, Edo State no better. Now, if they can see release this Okada now, you don't think say we'll see get security challenge? Security challenge go there. I want me you look that area.
I mean, want me you look this area. Say last year December, last year everywhere, even to a POS, all of them, everywhere cars.
Yes.
But Okada no.
Which people cause am, no be police cause am.
Okada, you know they talk with you know if you prove now.
No, they talk with you know if you prove.
No, you feel prove.
When they cause the problem, they say police shoot during protest, police attack. Not because the problem. Now it cause am now. I mean, you know they read news again when they read.
Now it cause am,
Yes.
Okay, now me they try to tell you say no be Okada issue. Now it cause all those ones. So if Okada want corner, many people wait don't they happy now to go give Thanksgiving. Say God don't see do now. He no get work before he wipe the quarrel with her. Now he want go work.
Where Okada one carry person enter for Benin City. Where be say you no go see cab. You know, see all this small transport company where go carry you enter. Make Okada go those rural area where BC level develop, where the road not too good. So that if we drive reach that place where no good, we go enter the Okada for there, go inside there. As I talk to you, so I get managed where they go in the next 1 hour. You give me I go drive reach, I will come down, I go enter that keke nape, or I will come enter inside this inside bike, take go inside the place.
Okay, your conclusion now, what you they talking about?
My conclusion be say my people, we understand. We know say hungry day. We know say everybody want struggle. But for us to help the governor of Edo State, I go beg una, say make this Okada, make governor not let them enter inside the city center. Where be city center, place like Ring Road, place like Airport Road, place like Government House area, that those government area, place like Ted, place like New Benin, place like Ugbawo. E go even help us for security because we never even fit contain the man not to speak Oyibo. We never fit control the some bad ones wey see dey happen now. Finish to come talk say we come kukuma say okay make okada just dey drive. You come see say that time many bad people will come comot for village. They will come town. They no get where they stay. They no get where they sleep. By the time they do okada work, we know get there before you know they don start to snatch bag again. So my people, I not to say make una not drive okada, but more una go area where never open well. Like after bypass, the place don't even open. They drive okada there. So go those area, go they drive okada, leave city center. You go see help us for hold up. Now talk.
Now you don't talk.
Yes.
So you dey talk say security issue for those states. You dey always dey talk. Problem there those states.
My brother.
Problem there.
Yeah,
small okada now. Problem there.
Small problem there.
Wetin cause the problem?
If no be vigilante, now you dey talk and just now say during December they thief POS, they thief money. If no be this vigilante wey governor bring come, so or wey governor approve, so okay, more na guide. Even though say they hear small say some say they never they collect salary.
Wait. Oga,
and they hear small.
You know say everybody they wash us now.
Yes.
And you na man of God.
Yes.
Okay, the vigilante na governor bring am. Now I bring the vigilante.
Now set of people come, they go meet governor say we go fit they do vigilante work, they make sure say security dey.
Okay.
Now governor say okay, I give una go ahead.
Okay, give a go ahead. Did they pay them? He paid them.
You know, last time I do video, tell am make him
pay them.
He don dey pay some as I hear because I dey talk wetin I know. He don dey pay some.
Okay.
Some say the thing never dey reach their hand, so me dey wait. Maybe inside this month wey we dey so, maybe if he end because I trust the governor. He dey hear me now. So before this month go end, I know say he go dey pay the ones wey be say they never dey pay them.
Okay, go they pay them.
Yes.
That means you know they pay some of them.
You know they pay some of them.
You only start.
You know even if they pay before. So you don't new start. So me now person where they ask people questions.
But now that they have say security vote, what did they use on it?
Security vote. You see now what I know now they put maths. If you watch well,
talk your mind now.
I talk and say that security vote. Now things like this. You understand me?
Things like waiting.
You see, governor don't go buy motor to give vigilante now.
Okay.
You understand? Though some gun, I don't want to go that gun matter. Because that one no be waiting I don't know. Waiting make me say I don't want go gun matter. Be say some of the gun where they use, na individual gun. Na person just bring your gun for house come out. So what I expect make governor do now be say anybody wey be say be vigilante wey get gun, they go carry the person cause they go snap am with the gun, register am. You know what I talk so they go register am so that because if by tomorrow now say this vigilante maybe something can happen, they can tell all of them say make them go, they no fit pay again. Everywhere don't peace. Now problem go be for Edo State too.
Man, shock you. You know what happened yesterday for Aduwawa?
No.
Aduwawa, vigilante where they talk so he go buy something for store. Where he buy now, be like say they no talk and well. Now he can go house carry a gun. He shoot the woman where they sell. Person where they there where they buy, he shoot her after college road for Aduwawa.
You get fat for what you talk.
Tell wetin happen.
This guy, I just a year and now for studio. That guy, they don't arrest the boy. So he go face the law. We not talk say menace no go dey inside the vigilante, but at least they don't restore normalcy. I don't know how to talk for pidgin English. They don't restore at least discipline for society. Now you know to the fear again. They don't cut to the thief like before. Bad things no cut to the happen. If you watch all those that you get one time where they say cut is the kitchen, cut is the kitchen. You see say where this vigilante day that is not too rain again. So at least make governor take advantage for this vigilante people, make him make sure say as he they take care of them, make it they take care of them well like that. The way that security vote where you talk so, make it use until they take care of them because I ain't made they give them because for many years. But many years they never touch that money. So I believe that now they want to start to touch that money for security matter. Because when I ask this question, when you ask, somebody say they say I know they there. Say the money that they call some head of police, head of soldier, head of this.
But you know, just say all these vigilante will like all carry come out now we come full everywhere. So police not can they useful again. What it could be the work of police?
You know where
What's the work of soldier?
The work of police now. Now be say vigilante cash they go give una. Carry go. If na police, na be police now. Okay, sorry, no verse. Sorry, no verse. I don't know.
Okay, what it call be the work of police?
The way they ask the question, you'll be like say, you know, the work of police. Right now for Edo State. They see the mat road block. No, your talk say the police don't run go inside. Police see they function their normal duty. Okay. You understand? You know, say before armed robber they operate for your area. You call police. They'll say, oh, we don't have fuel in the car. Oh, okay. Don't worry, we don't have vehicle. They use it for operation. When they close, when they come, we call. Police will call. They call 3 hours after operation. But now, if you pay for your area, vigilante will take that area and they say no, that gun not be our kind of gunshot. What did they happen? We get number of vigilante. If we don't notice any movement, we no pure. We don't call. They say somebody dey my gate. Come check what did they happen. Anywhere where you dey, you see say they go run come.
Man of God, you know sure say this vigilante. So person where you know they pay, he go come out for in the night carry gun. You know so say something dey on that. Like, they know they pay you. You wake up in the night, you hear say robbers they rob or thief they thief. You carry gun, you come out for where they know they pay.
Yes.
Why? Wait, you not just say something done.
Make I explain, give you. You see, when Obaseki come into power,
governor.
When Obaseki come into governor, now be power now. Now be power now. Now you the same. You say more no they use correct English now.
No, when you just call him name, you just the artist and that person.
Okay, when governor, when governor Obaseki no get that said
because not be your
come into power.
Not be your mate now. Not your mate. Not governor.
Okay, I agree. When he come into power, he make sure say he show those state unity. He show them love. You understand me now? Now, do you know say these people now? They cause he say, what did they happen for those state? You know, true good though. One day, the person that shoot for POS, he be his sister, he be his brother. They will attack their mama. Now this youth come out. What we go do? God no say, but money never day now. Now go feed one. They say yes, we go feed one. Now God no say, okay, more now work, make us see una ability. What do you now do? Now go make me know whether we'll put now into payroll. Right now, they are doing well, and you can see that last month, early this month, Obaseki appreciate them. He buy them boss. He pays some inside according to them. But I believe that by this month ending, Obaseki go pay everybody where they work. So now the spirit of love make crime no day. You watch that answers. All the people where they come and they pay any of them. They don't pay anybody. Everybody come out on their own willingly.
They don't tire.
Yes, even me. I see come out. I see Black Cat. I say Fist Nigeria.
You join the go.
I join protests. People do peaceful protests. Say Fist Nigeria. Those people who boss wares, I don't know where they for come out. I don't know where they for come out.
They go investigate.
The day where we did as airport road, we did that very day. So we did there. We did dance. They enjoy ourselves. I think the governor came there, was happy.
Okay, yes. Prophet is a madman, man of God. Thank you very much. And now, your last statement for to this edition of this Talk Your Mind. What will be your last edition? How you take a look at this government of Edo State?
Well,
the next 2 years or 3 years.
And now, what we go beg now? Now be PDP. Now we go beg because we don't hear say some small thing don't they happen inside PDP. Don't divide into two. Some kind matter. So we go beg them. I beg. More na allow governor work. We know say na true PDP now take come into power. We want beg una. Even like say no be even the PDP for see come back to power. We want beg una. More na no go use order, rules, regulation, agreement. They go make the man may no work where he no supposed to work.
Before you land.
If we do this thing like this, it no go benefit people of Edo State too. They say no. What it concerns Edo State. Bring the team with chopper. Bring this one. If you not agree, we will not agree. Now I be waiting the cost. Now I be waiting. My speed don't tell me because my speed they talk. I know
which party you belong to?
Me, I don't belong to any party. I belong to any government that have a genuine heart for the people of Edo State and Nigeria.
But that time, let's see you campaign, you put poster for everywhere.
Yes,
for put party
for Obaseki.
That means you are a member of PDP.
If you watch, I know now during few days to election, few weeks to election, now I can't even put party. You understand?
That means you be member of
yes
PDP.
no I no be member of PDP. You see forget
Man
say
of God, PDP.
I no be member of PDP, I no be member of APC. I'm not partisan.
All right, my people that don't hear from Pastor Apostle. Okay, Apostle Chuku Kasi. Prophet is a madman. Yes, when don't hear from man, yes, he a friend of the Edo State Governor, and he don't prove him, and he don't tell us many things about what we want here. So the Okada riders, when don't see here and from your own side, where we will still find other Okada man, because in Okada man, but now he can be executive Okada Okada man of God. So my people, now so the matter be, talk your mind. Yes, we send courage. In next, we'll come back again. Just stay glued to where you dey watch us from, so that you will know say many matters there we will go sit there. Mona no find trouble. Now bye bye.
24 hours, 7 days a week.
For more exciting, educative, and entertaining programs such as Law and You, Talk Politics, Entertainment Gist, Relationship Talk, and other programs, keep watching Pinnacle TV. You can watch, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Pinnacle TV Online. You can also visit our website at www.pinnacletv.com. Follow us on Facebook at Pinnacle TV Online or call us on 081 546 999 8